the finance one is broken up into a couple of tabs. So we have the finance tab that gives you some dashboards about your performance, and then you also have some financial statements that are linked there as well. And so what this is going to provide, obviously, is the ability for accountants, and controllers, and other people like that to just kind of at a glance see how their business is performing and basically select it by year. And then they can also go ahead and if you right click, you can drill through and go to GL entries as well. So this is feeding right into live into my Business Central environment here. So people would be able to go ahead and interact with the data there. If they need to obviously drill through even further into some of these items, then they would need to go to the Business Central proper and just interact with the data that way. And you get the same as well on your balance sheets. You still have the ability to drill through to your GL entries. Oh, that was not as exciting as I thought it would be. And the income statement. And so the setup time on this is fairly straightforward. It's about 2 to 4 hours, including the training. And that's all inclusive in the $75 per month subscription fee. And as new features are added and released, the upgrade and update of those Business Central content packs for the customers that are subscribed is again still included. So they only have the $175 fee along with the BI Pro licenses that they need to acquire to use it. And the next one is purchasing. And this one is interesting. And so this module was a little bit different for me, having only worked in businesses where when you get a PO, you get the quantity that you order, and that's final. So I never really understood the amount and variance that's showing up here. So there's definitely some industries where there's partial completion of POs or items arrive late and so on. So this is a really exciting dashboard because what this provides to our clients is the ability to see vendor performance. If there's vendors that are consistently undershipping product or overshipping product and so on, obviously less common that they would overship. But I guess in agriculture, that's always a possibility if it's a bumper crop. But it allows you to see, even at a warehouse level, for example, how often this is happening, and it can allow you to, or assist you rather, in vendor negotiation. So again, this is a really exciting dashboard, and it offers three-dimensional data as well because items are color-coded green or red, depending on what part of the variance it is at. So it provides you with an additional level of detail based on that color coding. And then from a purchasing manager's perspective as well, you can see your outstanding purchase orders, quantity remaining, and so on, as well as keeping track of accounts payable, just to determine, am I going to have a problem that there's some items that might be on hold, perhaps because there's some outstanding invoices that we need to rectify. And then the sales is the final dashboard at this time. And so this one provides us a global or map view in terms of performance, so by credit memo and region. And again, we have this call to action in the form of color-coded data sets. So here we have John Haddock Insurance that has some outstanding items that we need to basically get them their overdue balance corrected before we'll allow them to proceed and have more orders. And so these dashboards are provided as is. However, if they want to make certain changes, then we can quote those on time and materials basis. So there basically, it might be some customers, for example, on the financial dashboard that may want to show, or even in the sales dashboard, this tooltip, for example, so sales less credit memo, but you might want to also put perhaps your budget number there so you can see on the tooltip pop up, are you tracking to budget and so on. So there's different ways that we can tailor make this if they desire, but then those would be, those ad hoc requests would have to get as a listed as a separate engagement over the $75 subscription fee.